Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tasheena. If you are just coming across my video, of course, thank you for clicking on my video. Thank you so much. Consider subscribing if you like the content, like, share, and comment on this video. So in today's video, I'm going to do a little bit of a vlog. I felt for fried dumpling and callaloo. So of course, I'm going to show you how I prepare it. All the dry ingredients are in this container. That's the all-purpose flour, salt, baking powder, butter. I use the spoon to scoop the butter, so that is why I use it to mix the flour. And as you see, I am actually squeezing the butter in the flour, to have that breadcrumb type of consistency. So that's what I'm doing right here. Remember to like the video, share the video. If you are not yet subscribed, go ahead and do so YouTube can recommend this video to others as well. And stay tuned for more videos like this. Just ensuring that the butter is evenly distributed and it have that flaky type of texture in the flour, right? So I'm all done with doing that. Now I have my cup of iced water. As you can see, I'll also be using that to actually mix. See, I'm showing you it's a bit flaky, which is what we are going for. That's the texture that you get when you mix the butter with the flour and all the other dry ingredients. All right, so let's go ahead with our water. Now we're gonna pour it in and we're gonna knead in the dough. Right, we're gonna mix it and mix and then knead in as well. So now we're just mixing it in, getting it mixed with the water. Now you realize I did not throw all the water at once, so you gradually pour until you get that texture in the dough that you want, or until all the loose dough have come or have been kneaded. All right, so that's what you do. So if you're someone that's heavy on the water, you tip little by little, since you don't want it to be too soft, but you want it soft enough, right? But not like very watery soft, because of course you'd still need to form the doughs to put in the oil. So 1 cup of water should be able to do the trick. All right, I'm ensuring that everything in the container is kneaded. All right, all the dough have been kneaded to make that big final dough. So you'll see me show you how the container looks whilst I'm kneading, throwing in my last remaining portion of water on my hand, so that helps to take the dough off my hand and fully create that moisture on the main dough. See, that's what you want to do when you are kneading your flour, your container, because of course nobody wants to waste their flour, so you need to ensure every little bit and piece, as much as you're able to, is formed in your dough. Right, and you can see that my dough is soft but not too soft, so that's pretty good. Now let's get on to frying. So here are my dumpling. They're getting golden brown, so that's what you want to go for, that golden brown color, and this indicates to you that they are almost ready. Yes, because you don't want in the middle of the dough not to be done, so you don't want to take them out of the hot oil too soon, or you don't want to leave them too long for them to look burnt too. So you have to pay attention to them. Yum, they are looking so good. Oh my god, there's just something about eating fried dumpling. Not sure if it's your favorite as well, but they are looking yummy. Right now I'm putting a fresh set in the hot oil, as you can see. And in the other Dutch pot, I have seasoned for my callaloo. Yes, there you go. That's my callaloo and my fried dumpling going on. So there I'm mixing my callaloo to ensure the season at the bottom is evenly distributed throughout the callaloo. Here, you know, the callaloo starts to wither, which is a part of the cooking process, as you can see. Yes, and I have saltfish in the callaloo, you know, just to give it a pep of a taste. That's what I love. So yes, this callaloo, I didn't show you me cutting it up because it was bought pre-cut already, so I didn't have to do that, thank God. Take a look at my dumplings, and now this is the finished product. Yum, yum, yum. You just want to eat that with whatever protein you have. Let's look at my plate. That's what I'm having, of course, and I am going to do that with a cup of tea. So my tea was fever grass tea that I used. Here I'm showing you the texture. It was easy to be broken.